Hello, children. I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here, every day, we will sing, dance, listen to stories, and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Okay, then please stand up and join me in a dance. बच्चों, आपका इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में स्वागत है। यहाँ हम रोज गाएंगे, नाचेंगे, कहानियां सुनेंगे और खूब मजे करेंगे। क्या आप तैयार हैं? तो फिर खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए।
Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll.
Children, now I would like to ask you a few questions. Let us share our thoughts and ideas. बच्चों, अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी। Children, what happens after we go to sleep? बच्चों, हम सो जाते हैं, उसके बाद क्या होता है? We get dreams. These may be beautiful dreams or scary dreams also sometimes. We get dreams about things that we usually think of more often or about some random things as well. बच्चों, हमें जो ख्वाब आते हैं वो कई ऐसी चीजों के बारे में होते हैं जिनके बारे में हम सोचते रहते हैं या फिर जिसके बारे में हम कभी भी नहीं सोचते। Children, during the day, have you ever thought, what if I had a beautiful garden? बच्चों, क्या आपने कभी दिन में ये सोचा है, क्या होता अगर मेरा बड़ा सा सुंदर सा बगीचा होता? Okay, have you ever thought, what if I had lots of books? क्या होता अगर मेरे पास ढेर सारी किताबें होती? What if I had lots of games? क्या होता अगर मेरे पास खेलने के लिए कई सारी गेम्स होती? Children, when we think of things during the day, when we think, what if we had this and what if we had that, This is called daydreaming. बच्चों, इसे कहते हैं दिन में सपने देखना. So children, during the day, when we think about things that we would like to have, when we think about places where we would like to be, when we think, what if we were like someone else altogether? What if we were more strong, more powerful, more intelligent? This is all called daydreaming. Daydreaming is different from reality. In reality, we may be living on earth, but in our daydream, we may be wanting to live amongst the clouds. So children, daydreaming is imaginary, while reality is where we live. So children, today we are going to read a very interesting story on daydreaming. Children, while learning a language, it is very important that we keep learning new words. Now, I would like to share with you a few new words. Please listen to me carefully and note them down in your notebook. We will come across these words in the lesson we'll be reading today. बच्चों, कोई भी भाषा सीखते वक्त नए शब्द सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. अब मैं आपको कुछ नए शब्द बताऊंगी जिन्हें आप अपनी नोटबुक में लिख लीजिएगा. ये शब्द हमें आगे लेसन में भी मिलेंगे. The first word is milkmaid. 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 The second word is churn. 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 The third word is jerk. 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 The fourth word is spilled. 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 The fifth word is gently. 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 So children, let me repeat the words once again for you. बच्चों, अब ये शब्द मैं दोहराने वाली हूं. Milkmaid, churn, jerk, spilled, gently. Children, we will come across these words in the lesson that we'll be reading. Try to look out for these words and guess their meaning. Children, we will be reading a very interesting lesson today. The title of the lesson is Maya's Dream. If you have a textbook, please open to page number 51 and point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please see your TV screens and listen to me carefully. बच्चों, अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो आप पेज नंबर 51 प्लीज खोलिए और जैसे मैं कह रही हूं और पढ़ रही हूं वैसे अपनी उंगली शब्दों पर कुछ इस तरीके से रखें. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो आप आपकी टीवी स्क्रीन की तरफ देखिए और मेरी आवाज गौर से सुनिए. Maya's dream. Maya, the milkmaid, was carrying a pot of milk on her head. The milk was fresh and creamy. Maya began to dream. There's so much milk in the pot. It's rich and creamy. So children, we just started reading the lesson Maya's Dream. Maya was a milkmaid. Who is a milkmaid? A milkmaid is a girl or a lady who works at the dairy, who milks the cow. So Maya milked the cow and took the milk in a pot. She was carrying the pot on her head. The milk was very creamy, means it was soft and had a lot of cream in it. Maya began to dream. Maya was daydreaming. बच्चों, माया अपने सिर पर एक घड़ा लेकर चल रही थी जिसमें दूध था। माया को दिन के वक्त एक सपना आता है। आइए जानते हैं आगे क्या होता है। I'll make nice thick dahi with this milk. Then I'll churn it and make butter. I'll take the butter to the market. Many people will come to buy the soft and tasty butter. I will sell it at a good price. Maya dreams what she will do with the milk in the pot on her head. She thinks that the milk is so thick and creamy. I will make dahi out of it, curd. Then I will churn the dahi, the curd, and make butter out of it. Then I will take the butter to the market where lots of people buy and sell things. And I will sell my butter for a good price. Many people will be ready to pay a good price for my soft and creamy butter. बच्चों, माया सोचती है कि दूध में से वो दही बनाएंगी और दही में से वो मक्खन बटर बनाएंगी और फिर बाजार में उसे एक अच्छे दाम के लिए बेचेंगी। माया का ये सपना है। I will get a lot of money. What shall I do with the money? I know what I will do. I will buy big golden earrings. They will be much better than Mira's earrings. She is always showing them off. But now, Mira, just you wait. I will wear them and walk past her like this. Maya thinks, I will get lots of money with the butter I sell. So what will I do with all that money? I will buy gold earrings. Mira always keeps showing off her gold earrings in front of me. Now I will show her. I will buy gold earrings and I will walk in front of her like this with my gold earrings. मीरा सोचते हैं कि मक्खन बेचने से वो जो भी पैसे कमाएंगे उनसे वो सोने की बालियां खरीदेंगी और सभी के सामने उन्हें पहनकर शौक से चलेंगी। Maya began to walk with her head held high. She moved her head slowly from side to side. The milk in her pot rolled gently. Maya went on dreaming. Maya was wearing her gold earrings and she held her head high. Then she moved her head from side to side to show off her golden earrings. The pot on her head also began to move. The milk gently began to roll down the pot. माया ने अभिमान के साथ अपना सर उठाया और इस तरीके से कुछ अपना सिर हिलाने लगी ताकि सभी उसकी सोने की बालियां देख सके। मगर माया के सिर पर जो घड़ा था वो भी हिलने लगा और उसमें से कुछ दूध छलककर बाहर आ गया। When Meera sees my rings, she will get a surprise. She will say, "Oh, what lovely rings! Wait, Maya, wait. I want to see your rings." Maya kept dreaming. She thought, if Meera sees me, she will say, "Wait, Maya, wait. Let me see your rings." माया ने सोचा कि अगर मीरा उसे देखती तो कहती, रुक जाओ माया, मुझे तुम्हारी बालियां देखने दो। But will I wait? Oh no! Why should I? Does she ever wait for me? No, I will just toss my head like this. Maya tossed her head with a jerk. Maya kept dreaming. She thought to herself, what if Meera asks me to wait to have a look at my earrings? Will I wait? No. Does Meera ever wait when I call out to her? I will also toss my head and walk away in front. Thinking about this, Maya actually tosses her head. And guess what happens next? माया ने सोचा कि अगर मीरा मुझे रोककर कहेंगी कि आओ मुझे तुम्हारी बालियां देखने दो, तो मैं जरा भी नहीं रुकूंगी। मैं अपना सिर मोड़कर दूसरी तरफ चली जाऊंगी। And what's this? Away flew the pot of milk. Out spilled the milk. No milk, no dahi, no butter, no earrings. Maya lost her earrings even before she bought them. With a jerk, Maya tossed her head. The pot on her head fell off and all the milk was spilled all around. Maya thought to herself, "Oh, I lost all my milk now. Now no milk, no dahi, no butter, no money and no earrings." माया ने अपना सिर कुछ इस तरीके से सपने में हिलाया और इसी वजह से सिर पर जो गढ़ा था दूध का वो जमीन पर गिर पड़ा। अब दूध नहीं तो दही नहीं, मक्खन नहीं, पैसे नहीं और सोने की बालियां भी नहीं। माया अपना सिर पकड़कर वहीं बैठ गई, सोचने कि अब ना कोई दूध और ना ही कोई बालियां। So children, I hope you all liked this story and also learnt its message. Children, we learnt lots of new words today. Come, let's try to understand their meaning and frame simple sentences using these words. बच्चों, हमने कई नए शब्द आज सीखे। आइए उनके अर्थ समझें, उनके मीनिंग समझें और उन्हें इस्तेमाल करके एक वाक्य बनाएं। The first word is milkmaid. Milkmaid. Milkmaid is a girl or a woman who milks the cow. The milkmaid came late to the dairy. Next word, churn. Churn. Churn means to shake well in a machine. I churn the fruit pulp to make juice. Next word, jerk. Jerk. Jerk means a sudden sharp movement. My neck had a jerk in the accident. Next word, spilled. Spilled. Spilled means spilled out of or came out of the container. The cat spilled the milk. Next word, gently. Gently. Gently means softly and calmly. Mother gently placed her hand on my head. Children, I hope you liked this exercise of learning new words. Children, let's do an activity now. In this activity, we will see sentences related to the lesson Maya's Dream that we just read. What you need to do is put the sentences in the correct sequence, in the correct order as per the lesson. बच्चों, आइए अब हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. इस एक्टिविटी में आप टीवी पर कुछ सेंटेंसेस देखेंगे. ये सेंटेंसेस, ये वाक्य हमने अभी जो लेसन पढ़ा उसके संदर्भ में है. जो आपको करना है वो ये है कि सारे वाक्य को आपको लेसन के ऑर्डर में, लेसन के सही क्रम में फिर लिखने हैं. आइए शुरू करते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स बिगिन. Children, I hope you were able to write the sentences in the correct order as per the lesson. बच्चों, आशा है कि आपने सही क्रम में सारे वाक्य बिठा दिए. Come, let's have a look at the answer. First, Maya was carrying the pot of milk. Second, she began dreaming that there is so much of milk in the pot. Third, she thought of making dahi and then butter. Fourth, and then she will sell it in the market at a good price. Fifth, with the money she will buy gold earrings and show off in front of Meera. Sixth, when Meera will ask her to show the earrings, Maya will just walk away. Seventh, the pot of milk falls and all the milk gets spilled everywhere. No milk, no dahi, no butter, no earrings. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. I would now request you all to please make some time and share the story Maya's Dream with your friends and family. बच्चों, आपने आज जो लेसन पढ़ा मायाज ड्रीम, प्लीज उसे अपने दोस्तों और परिवारजनों के साथ शेयर करिएगा. Children, till we meet next time, please take care. Bye bye and stay safe.